12.5-inch props. Yeah, I'm not doing metric. I refuse. Although I have to have to use it for work and other purpose. Well, that might be why I refuse to use metric. But yeah, I'm on my leisure time. All right, so KDE motors, chunky ones, yes. So I'm gonna be testing to see whether I'm not gonna, small moment of inertia, big motors, short booms. We're gonna see if my PID tuning is gonna work with that. We shall see. We're gonna finish off this showing off this drone here with a test flight. I'm gonna try to get off the ground, see if the PID tuning is anywhere near where it should be, and if that works out fine, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it off on a 4-point waypoint test. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to the observer here, and let's see what happens. All right. I'm in. All right. Power test. Alright, we're gonna slide to start the test. See what it does. There she goes. Alright. Wow, that's pretty crispy right there. It's like those overpowered props are doing their job. Wow. That's pretty solid right there. I like that.
Sounds good too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I think I'll keep that one. There we go. Over there for the landing. See, we've got some short landing gear, so I'm always nervous when it comes in for a landing. Disarming. All right, disarmed. Leave the plan on the vehicle. All right, so that was pretty good. So what I'll do is, if you guys want to see it, what we'll do is we'll add a link to the flight log on there, so you guys can check it out.